and in my dreams. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Crazy for you. Crazy
Kaya lang isa
for
nakapag-video
you.
pagod ka na. Nagano-release po natin sa
It's
mga
so
sa
brand
and the rest
new.
and guys.
I'm crazy
Then
for
to
you. And you know
Jamie.
it's true.
Then po
I'm
sa iyo.
crazy, crazy for you. It's so brand new. I'm crazy for you. And you know it's true. Yeah, I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you, baby. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Thank you so much, guys.
Ay, hindi. Nakatapos man. Maraming salamat sa mga guests. Thank you so much for my guests for tonight, Miss Paulette, and of course, Miss Day Arbis Vlog. Thank you so much, guys. And the rest yan, guys. Thank you so much po sa inyo. Ito naman ang akin. Pasensyahan nyo na, guys. Yahoo! Yeah, malapit na mag-isang oras at kalahati. Love po sa lahat, guys. I love you all. Sana all. Thank you po. Sa inyong support yan always. There we go. I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. When I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that are all the time. Words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could remember the very first time I saw you. Should have made my move when you look in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know you feel the way that I do. And I'd whisper this voice that you love me by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Lumupog po ako ugat na. Today finally found the courage step inside just to walk right up to your top. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like a thousand times before. Then without a word, they handed me this letter. But I hope this finds the way to your heart. It says, I love you. You say you love me too. These three words that could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together